So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Omega Seamaster 300. So this is the box of the Seamaster. We have papers over here, like all the operating instructions, just stuff like that. Then we have warranty card, I believe so, right over here. So we can just put that back in. I believe it goes like, I don't want to ruin it. So I believe it goes this. Alright. This is the box of the Seamaster. This is probably the best watch box I've ever seen. And you click that button over there, then this is the inside. So here we have the watch. I'm gonna set that aside for a bit, right over here. So inside the box, you can actually open this and it gives you a couple of stuff. I think this opens as well. I'm not too sure. I'm not gonna try and open it, but they give you this. This is like you can put your watch in here and you can like take it somewhere if you want to go take it. So that is it for the box, and now let's get into the watch. So this is the Seamaster. It was released in 1957. This watch was made for people who go underwater and for people like working under the water as well. So the Omega Seamaster has an in-house caliber 8800 movement. It has a stainless steel 41 millimeter case. The wrist strap size is a 21 millimeter. So this watch is actually a really nice watch. I would highly recommend the watch. And for the price, it's actually, it's not super cheap and it's not super expensive. So I would highly recommend this watch to anyone who is looking for like really nice watch. And this is super comfortable on the wrist. It feels good, and it's like, yeah, it's other than that, just all really. So that was my review on the Omega Seamaster. Hope you enjoyed.